What's up, dear viewers? In this video, I want to show you how to design a ridge beam using Clearcalcs calculations. I have this ridge beam here, about 61 feet long this way, and 40 feet so on center. So this dimension here, from this point to this point, this is about 40 feet. This drawing is not to scale, so don't worry. And this one from that point, is about 61 feet. This is the design that has passed. So I'll show you how to design a ridge beam using Clearcalcs. So we jump straight to Clearcalcs. You can see Clearcalcs here. You can go for a trial version. So I'll add new calculations. Wood beam. And then you can select ridge beam. You can see this option here. Select ridge beam. So I'm designing a project in the US. So I'm going to use the US codes. The beam plan length is 61 feet. Change the number of piles. We can start with 1. You can see how it changes. So 61 feet, and then we have 4 supports. We have 4 supports. That is the first point, and other 3 supports, 20 on center. So there's this support here at 20 feet, this support here at 20 feet, and this support here can be at 21 feet. So I can just fill in that data here. So here we change to 4. Let's just leave the bearing length as is and add 2 more supports. So there is 1 support at the beginning and at the end, and 2 intermediate support. So I'll just duplicate. This one is at 20 feet. Again, I will duplicate. This one is at 40 feet. Okay. I will change. I will try 2 by 12. Okay, this one is failing the design check. I will select LVL, species, Vasalam LVL. Then the nominal size, I need that size. So this one is passing my design check. We need to we need to add these default loads, which I can just go with, because you can see for roof load, I have a dead load of about 10 PSF and a live load of about 20 PSF, snow load of about 30 PSF, and wind load of about 30 and negative 30, that is upward. So this, I can just go with this default, but you can check your the codes. Okay, this has passed my design check, and that is how you can quickly design your ridge beam in Clearcalcs. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please consider to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video. Thank you.